guys? It's your boy Joe Bird. We back again, me and CDOGG. We just gonna move my car around right quick. Got to sit on the road right now. People been messing with it. So I got to put my little cap inside of it. The Audi cap on the front wheel. Get him to swap it out for me. Put the set in the driveway. Old 4 Sebring. That's my baby right there. 2018 Continental. Got my wheels and stuff. I'm gonna do another upload just with this car alone. This and 2020 Continental. But so I ain't gonna do too much footage on that right now. We're gonna save it for another video. But you gonna hop in there.
Gonna back it up?
Yeah, park it in the driveway. Just move it around. I ain't drove it about 3 weeks.
I'm coming around park the street.
You ain't got them license yet, nigga.
Come around.
Come around what?
I'm gonna come around and park straight in like you.
Where you finna go?
Huh?
Where you finna go? Cause you hit somebody's on me. What I was saying, don't play with me. I'll slap you. Little hard head, little child. He got 17 years old, he ain't thought about going to get his license yet. Got our road blocked off. That little grill I put on there. New headlights. About 3-4 months ago, left my car and drive and got out the car. Son ran into a tree. Thank God he hit nobody, but it just drove up by itself. So I sent it to the body shop. They fixed it for about $500. Paint, resprayed everything, put a little bit with a little metallic inside of it. So it got some flakes in it. You can see a little bit, probably can't see it that good, but got my 20s on now. So the one thing I gotta do, put a top on here, put me some TVs in here. I may go with build my own sports bar, and do a little cosmetic stuff to it. Ain't no big. Got it running like I needed to. Put yeah, I put a new oil pan on there. Something else I did. New oil pan. I had a leak inside of it. The oil pan plugs loose and it won't hold no oil, so got that taken care of. That's pretty much it I did to it. But like I said earlier, put the 20s on there. You gotta go back and put a new top. So the top filling is the original top from when they first built the car. So we're talking about since 2004. So 16 years. So when I go back with a black top. And then tint my windows black. Put my strip right here. Put my TVs in a sound system. So I got a lot of projects to play with. But I'm gonna put that on hold right now because like I said, my folks on the holding right now. So we're gonna ride on out and go get me something to eat. On to the next post. There's a food truck, but they got the best fish in town. Everything they cook, it's the best. So me and my boo lady, we're gonna get something else, but he wanna eat something else. And so, if you ever go to Beulah Mays, try their fish and fries. the church, had to play the drums. Y'all have school tomorrow.
Yeah, we ain't got school tomorrow.
How your grades look?
They look pretty good.
Yeah, right.
They do. What's that?
Key 9 vehicle.
It's right there.
Go ahead and take it. Hold it right back up. Turn the fan up. Hit that. That's the control of speed. So everything wrap around this knob. Heat that. Then I found out the AC work in the seats. Better than the lake. Turn it off here. Yeah, found out today this car it's a 06 model, but so we talking about 14 years. That the seats have AC and air conditioning seats. I ain't noticed that. Work. Nigga heated seats. There we go. Yeah, those seats in here work. I can feel it better than I can in my 2020 and my 2018 Continental. So 80% of stuff still working in this car. The other 20%, little knickknacks. But I got a little leak on my reservoir, my coolant. So my brother, he work on cars, so he gonna come and look at it. And we're gonna put it up on a route to see what all it needs. So we're gonna post that. We'll do a video on that when we do that. So I just got a lot of stuff in line we're gonna post. But just trying to stay out the way, stay busy. Been a long day today. I headed down the interstate today. Run pretty good. To tell you the truth, that ride pretty much better than my Continentals. Believe it or not, because if I'm not mistaken, it was like a $90,000 car, $80,000 car in its time.
You can tell the difference between Lincoln and
Yeah, you can tell the difference. Believe it or not, I'm a Lincoln man. But you gotta give credit where credit due. So I gotta pimp it out. Wheels on here. I may go some 20s. I'm debating about going 20s now so I can keep a thicker ride or a thicker tire so I can still get a good ride. I don't want to damage the air ride suspension with this. So I may just go and stick with 20s. It's still going to stand to be fat. It's going to stand out sporty. Think she's something now. Riding the link dog. What up, boo boo? What you doing? Oh, really? Who's that in the back seat? That's your son. Is that your mom and up? Can I get your phone, your mama phone number? Huh? Forget you then. Stop blocking. Huh? Yeah, he want a bottle block on his own one. Trying to steal my woman. Like that, I'm gonna slap far from him.
Cap.
You know, I'm joking. I ain't gonna do it though. What's your name, man? Oh, really? You got your man? That's his ride. That's your ride. Oh, really? That was up. Let me pay them card notes on it. Huh? Oh, really? You got your old ball there, don't you? Okay. I can't step up like that.
Y'all weird, bro.
You just hating too, bro.
Ain't nobody hating, bro.
I hate on nephew. I'm gonna discontinue you as my nephew. Yeah, we come get him something to eat right quick. What up, dude? She got you spoiled, don't she? Yeah, we just out here chilling on a pretty Sunday evening. Can't get no better than this. Not too hot. Just right. Go home, lay it down, give me some rest for tomorrow. I may have to work tomorrow. What you doing tomorrow?
Midnight to rest.
Really?
Yeah. Really.
306.
I got a number, remember? That's what you dropped. Alright.
I know it. Yeah, but I ain't see it go. Who about this Corey?
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Yeah, Corey, my main man right there. The life of Corey. So I'm trying to get where he at. So, he inspired me to YouTube. Ain't no hating going on with that. He just doing his thing, so I like that. So we're a big fan of him. So I'm saying shout out to Life of Core. Keep doing your thing, bro. You looking? Don't worry about what the haters say. Cause they gonna hate. Just do your thing, man. Keep it moving. And one time, the only reason why they hating on you, cause they want what you got and they ain't got it. That's how they do. That's how they do out here where I'm at. Everybody don't hate, but some of them do. You gotta treat them with low handle. You gotta feed them with low handle spoon, man. That's what I do. Speak and keep it moving and do my thing. If you get one life to live, you better enjoy it. So I'll send a shout out to you, man. If you hear me. I know it's pre-recorded though, but once I upload it, hopefully you'll watch it. You know. If y'all anywhere local in the Shelby County area, Monroe Valley area, and you watching this post, and I keep saying it because the food is just too right. You gotta check out Beulah Maze. It's located in Alabaster. Right down about a vegetable patch in front of the old Thompson Middle School. You gotta check them out. They be out there Saturday evening and Sundays. They got the best menu in town, so I ain't messing with no other restaurants right now. Wait for that fish and fries. They cook it to order too. What up, yo?
What?
You're a hater, man. Oh, nephew, I'm telling you, he a buster. Love him, but he be blocking. He my editor though. He like my producer. We tag team. So Life of Joe Bird and CDOGG. He got me motivated doing this. So I'm trying to get not so camera shy. So I'm trying to make myself comfortable. So it may not be all professional now, but we're gonna get there. We working on some stuff. You got your food, woman? You got your food? Follow me. On to Beulah Maze. I work 70 hours a week. So what though?
NBA young boy.
Yeah, the NBA young boy be snapping. That food good. I thought you were gonna eat some fish with me. I thought you were gonna eat some fish with me. Oh, really? I'm loving that car right there. Oh, really? Well, I'm about to steal you then and steal that ride. What about? I see it. It won't do nothing.
You can take it in there.
Okay. You know I know you. I know y'all gonna do that. Ain't worried about this. No, they gonna be here tomorrow. I tell you, Pam say gonna leave out Monday morning. Monday morning, midday, but sometime Monday. He came on barbecue for the day. Oh, you kids are telling me so. Okay, so you were down there and all y'all, the Evans and all that.
Yeah.
Hold on, Evans. She married to the Evans competition.
Yeah. My dad. But yeah, he was there.
Right. Okay. Wow.
So, CJ
hut. Good move. What up, bro? How y'all doing? That's a bar style right there. Oh, that's over. For the day now. You know what I'm saying? What about I get my horse back? Hey, who goes yonder? Yonder. I'm gonna do a post in my side, my 2020 Lincoln. But it's backing itself up in the parking spot. It do what I'm doing now, but it do it on its own. All I got controls my gas and brake. And the computer handles the steering wheel by itself. So I'm gonna do a parallel park and a perpendicular. It's a new name they got. I can't hardly pronounce it, but get a parking spot by itself and also parallel park. So I'm gonna do a post about that probably about another week or so. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much about it. I'm gonna call it a day. It's been a long day. I don't know for sure I gotta go work tomorrow, but I'm gonna give me some rest just in case. But let my little dog, CDOGG, do an outro for me.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we out.